360 fat transfer. Her BMI is 22, so she's petite. I'm also going to tighten the back. We'll put up a before picture of her back so you can see the rolls. I'm going to work on tightening the rolls. She's 52. I'm going to clean out the waist, improve the projection, and fill in the hip just a little bit. 360 fat transfer, tiny waist. I only added a very small amount to her thigh. Improved the projection, gave her a really nice waistline. So super snatch waist, pretty curved. All right, 52. We did some 360 lipo, skin tightening. Very nice pinch, improved skin, and we created just a little bit of curve. She didn't want to be too curvy. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a comment, give us a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.